Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone? Today we're looking at a product worth your attention. Are you tired of using a microwave that's loud and obtrusive in your kitchen? Look no further than the COMFEE Retro Microwave Oven. This stylish and functional appliance is a game changer for home cooking. With its 11 power cooking levels and 900 W output, you can achieve perfect results every time. The LED lights and easy-to-read control panel make it a breeze to navigate, even for those who are not tech-savvy. The COMFEE Retro Microwave Oven has been a popular choice among many customers who have purchased and reviewed it, praising its performance and design. One of the standout features of this microwave is its mute function, which allows you to cook without the annoying beeps and noises that often come with microwave use. By simply pressing the time/clock button for 3 seconds, you can activate the mute function and enjoy peaceful cooking. The multi-stage cooking feature is another benefit that sets this microwave apart from others. You can defrost and cook your food in one easy step, saving you time and effort in the kitchen. The retro design of the microwave adds a touch of style and sophistication to any kitchen, and its compact size makes it perfect for small kitchens or apartments. Whether you're reheating leftovers or cooking a meal from scratch, the COMFEE Retro Microwave Oven is a reliable and efficient choice. With its ease of use, stylish design, and powerful performance, it's no wonder this microwave has become a favorite among many home cooks. If you're in the market for a new microwave, consider giving the COMFEE Retro Microwave Oven a try. You won't be disappointed. If this helped, hit link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.